Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-55 in Montgomery County, Illinois. We're on a long stretch of highway between the St. Louis metro area and Springfield, Illinois. Most of this road is just 2 lanes in each direction, not much to see. We're running parallel to a former alignment of historic Route 66, which now serves as a frontage road on the left side of the interstate. Much of it is the original concrete slab laid down nearly a century ago. Exit 60 leads to the city of Carlinville to the west, which had a population of 5,710 as of the 2020 census. Carlinville is home to Blackburn College, a small college affiliated with the Presbyterian Church and the former home of Prairie Farms Dairy. In the early 1900s, Carlinville became the site of a great many Sears catalog homes. An entire neighborhood was constructed of the homes and was funded in 1918 by Standard Oil of Indiana for its mine workers in Carlinville, at a cost of approximately $1 million. In gratitude, Sears Roebuck named one of its house models the Carlin. Today, 149 of the original 156 homes still exist, the largest single repository of Sears catalog homes in the United States. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. and give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the village of Farmersville, which had an estimated population of 671 as of 2019. Since the early 1900s, Farmersville has held a festival entitled Irish Days, which takes place the second full weekend of June, offering a variety of entertainment for attendees of all ages. We enter Sangamon County with a population of 196,343 as of 2020. The county is in the center of Illinois and contains the state capital of Springfield just a few miles ahead. Prior to being elected President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln represented Sangamon County in the Illinois legislature. We enter the village of Divernon, a name taken from a character in Walter Scott's 1817 novel Rob Roy. In 2019, Divernon had an estimated population of 1,105. We conclude today's video at mile marker 80. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.